welcome back to the Mr. Excel Netcast. I'm Bill Jellin. Today we have a question sent in by Joe. Joe's asking about using custom auto filters. Let's run through a quick example here. I have a data set with a code and some sales, and I want to find all of the sales where the code contains the letter O. So we use data, filter, auto filter to turn on the auto filter, and normally we'd be able to pick a single code from here, but instead we're going to use custom and say that we want where the code equals star O star. Click OK, and sure enough it gives me all the line items with just an O in them. Now an interesting thing is once I've applied a filter, I can choose the bottom cell and hit the auto sum button, and instead of putting in a sum, Excel will put in the right syntax that will give me the total of just the visible items. That's a great tip in itself. Now here's Joe's question. He says, well, that works fine, but how do I make this show me all the things that don't contain an O? I want to see basically the inverse of this, all the items that aren't selected. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to the code and choose custom. And it's interesting that before I had asked for everything that equals star O star, and Excel 2003 automatically changed that to be contains. Well, if we look through this drop down, you'll see that we also have an option for does not contain. So basically we ask for every entry that does not contain an O and click OK. And sure enough, Excel gives us the inverse. Hey, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you next time for another netcast from Mr. Excel.